So let's start to look how we can change the ascending button design for the Chart.js plugin sorting. So we have here this button here, but maybe we want to apply a specific class to it to give it a bit of a better look or a design. So how do we do this? Well, if you scroll down here, you can see here we have here the options for adding a class. So let's start to add up the class right away. We're going to scroll down here, and what we want to do here is after the skills, we're going to say here plugins, and then within the plugins here, we can put in here the object sorting. This sorting object is recognized because of the JavaScript file for the plugin. So then in here, we can pinpoint specifically ascending. Then we can say here the button, and then we can assign a class. The class, if you look at this, is a string value. By default, it is blank. So we could give it here a new class name, let's say blue. But of course, if I save this, then refresh here, nothing will happen. You will see that the class will be added here to the button, which is now considered the class of blue. But what I want to do is, of course, I want to make sure it is recognized by CSS. So I'm going to scroll up here, say dot blue, and then we can say here border, I guess, will be black. Then border width, I guess, or border style, border top width 3 pixels, and finally background color. Background, we can make this blue, and then maybe color for the font white. Save that, and refresh. And as you can see here, of course, we can do probably a bit better design, but it will work nicely as we click on these options here.